While looking for a simple way to recover some lost files, I accidentally came across this free data recovery software called AOMEI FastRecovery. Since it's free to use and easy to get started with, I decided to test it myself and see how well it actually works. In this video, I'll walk you through its features and show you how it performs. First, download and install AOMEI FastRecovery. Link in the description. After installation, launch it on the computer. Hover the mouse over the drive with saved deleted files, and click Scan. The windows will display all the recoverable files by type or path after quick scanning. For specific files or folders, the easiest method to find them quickly is to search directly. Select permanently deleted files and click the Recover button to get your selected files back. Please save them in a new path to avoid data overwriting. Click the Deep Scan button if the Quick Scan fails to locate the desired files. Deep Scan searches every sector of the disk to find more files. AOMEI FastRecovery supports you to recover files for free up to 500 megabytes. To recover unlimited files, please consider upgrading to the Advanced Edition.